Susmita Dev, demand to release funds for the state of Assam to mitigate floods.
Sir, thank you. I have the privilege to represent two states. I live in Assam and I have found space in this August House because of the people of Bengal. What is common between the two states is that both these states are reeling under severe floods, sir. Sir, Assam is one of the most impacted, where the national average is 10.2% of flood-prone areas. For Assam, it's almost 40%, sir, 4 times. Sir, the floods of the Brahmaputra River, of the Barak River, of the Kushiara River, of the river Ganga in Bengal is so devastating that thousands of hectares of cropland, lakhs of houses, hospitals, schools, bridges get devastated because of flooding during the monsoon. But the irony is, sir, this is recurring every year.
Shame.
This is recurring every year, and what we generally see is that states like Assam, Bengal, Uttarakhand, all these states, Bihar, we demand money from the NDRF funds. But such is the scheme of things that when SDRF funds and NDRF funds have to be coordinated, the guidelines are such that a state has discretion of spending the SDRF fund only up to 10% and 90% is monitored by the center. So how do the chief ministers of state, how do the chief minister of state spend this money efficaciously? Sir, last but not the least, I am pained to say that where 100 people died in Assam in this flood and 24 lakh people are impacted and an 8-year-old boy died in Guwahati, Honorable Home Minister of India said Assam has a flood-like situation. Sir, what is a flood-like situation? Aap bataiye. We have been fighting for decades to say declare it as a national calamity. So when Siliguri to Sikkim NH10 breaks down or Silchar to Shillong NH6 breaks down, it impacts the entire northeast. I am asking, sir, that give states sufficient fund. Don't say North Bengal separate ho jao, Barak Valley separate ho jao. We want funds. Solve our solution, sir, to mitigate the floods and prevent the floods and rehabilitation for Assam and Bengal. Thank you, sir.